you don't actually need to factor anything. In fact, really neither the numerator or denominator are factorable. So I can just work with this in the form that it's in. To find the vertical asymptote, all I'm going to do is set the denominator equal to 0. So when I add the 5 over and then divide by 2, I get 5 over 2, or you could write it as 2.5. For the horizontal asymptote, I notice that I have a degree 1 over a degree 1. I know when the degrees are equal, the horizontal asymptote is going to be the leading coefficient of the numerator, which is -1, because it's the -1 in front of the x, over the leading coefficient of the denominator, which is the 2, because we have a 2x. To find the zeros, all I need to do is take the numerator and set it equal to 0. So when I do that, I get x equals 4. So you could write it as that, or you could write it as the ordered pair 4, 0. And then the y-intercept is just when we set x equal to 0. So when I do that, I get 4 minus 0 over 2 times 0 minus 5, which turns out to be -4/5. So you could write that as 0, -4/5. For number 9, we're asked for the limit as x approaches 1 from the positive side or the greater side. So when we talk about a limit here, and we have this little superscript with a positive, so here is x equals 1, so we're talking about this asymptote. The plus is talking about the right side of it. If that was a minus in the superscript, we'd be talking about the left side of it. Okay, so what's happening as this graph is getting, as the right side of this graph is getting closer and closer to the asymptote? Well, the arrow is pointing down. So we would just say this is equal to -infinity. And that's it.